Kids, we need to buy our Christmas tree today.
Yay! Are we getting a real tree or a fake one this year?
That depends. There's a Christmas tree farm near the park, and there's also the big store in town that sells artificial ones.
Which one is better?
Real trees smell wonderful and feel very traditional.
I vote for real. I want to pick the biggest one on the farm.
The last time we let you pick, we almost couldn't fit it through the front door.
What if we visit both places? First the tree farm, and if we don't find a good one, we check the store.
That sounds like a smart plan.
Mom, what exactly is Christmas?
Lily, Christmas is celebrated on December 25th. For many people, it honors the birth of Jesus Christ. But even outside of religion, it's a holiday about love, kindness, and spending time together.
It's also a time when families help others, share meals, and show appreciation through giving.
And a time when we eat cookies, right?
Yes, that too.
So what do we usually do at Christmas?
We start by decorating the house. We put up lights, hang ornaments, and decorate the Christmas tree.
What else do people do on Christmas?
Families, they often exchange gifts to show love and appreciation, and they spend time together.
And many families prepare a big meal, sometimes turkey, ham, or special dishes from their culture.
And cookies, we bake cookies, right?
Definitely. Cookie baking is on the list.
And we listen to Christmas music.
Some people go to church too, right?
Yes, many families attend church services on Christmas Eve or Christmas morning.
So Christmas is about being together, doing fun activities, giving gifts, and eating delicious food.
Exactly. It's a time to celebrate love and family.
And to make good memories. Mom, Dad, who is visiting us for Christmas this year?
We have a few special guests coming. First, your Uncle Mark will join us.
Uncle Mark? The one who always brings homemade chocolates?
Yes, Uncle Mark is visiting. He's a firefighter, so he always has the best rescue stories.
Who else is coming?
Grandpa Michael is coming too.
He's an engineer. He loves building things, so maybe he can help you finish that science project.
Or help me fix my broken robot?
Anyone else?
Yes, your cousin Sophie.
The one who draws everything.
Right. She's studying to be an architect, so she likes sketching buildings, houses, and sometimes even our Christmas tree.
She once drew our living room and made it look like a castle. Should we prepare something for them?
Absolutely, we can. Make a welcome card for each guest, prepare small gifts, and choose a Christmas movie to watch together.
I want to make Grandpa a handmade bookmark with a Christmas design. He'll love that.
Great idea. Homemade gifts are meaningful.
I want to get Uncle Mark a toy fire truck.
He'll love that.
And I'll draw a Christmas tree for Cousin Sophie.
So, Uncle Mark is a firefighter, Grandpa the retired engineer, and Cousin Sophie, the future architect, are all coming?
Exactly. And we'll celebrate Christmas together.
I can't wait. More people means more fun.
All right, everyone. We're here at the Christmas tree farm. Today we will find the best Christmas tree for our home.
Look at all the trees. How do we even pick one?
Good question. When choosing a Christmas tree, we look at a few things. First, its height. It should be tall enough for the living room, but not too tall. Second, its shape. It should be full and evenly shaped. Finally, the freshness of its needles. They should be green and not fall off easily.
So we're basically picking the healthiest looking tree?
Exactly. A healthy tree lasts longer and looks more beautiful.
What about this one? It's huge.
That one is taller than our ceiling. If we brought it home, we'd have to cut a hole in the roof.
How about this small one?
That one is cute, but it might be too small for our decorations.
So, not too big, not too small.
I found one. Look, it's tall but not too tall, and the branches are really full.
It has a nice shape. Let's check the needles.
Good sign. Very few needles fall off. That means the tree is fresh.
And it smells amazing.
I think we found our tree.
Agreed. This is the perfect one.
I can't wait to decorate it.
All right, everyone, it's time to decorate the tree.
Mom? Dad? What is the traditional meal for Christmas?
Good question. Different countries have different traditional Christmas meals, but many families share similar dishes.
Like what?
Traditionally, many families prepare a main dish like roast turkey, roast chicken, ham, or sometimes beef or lamb.
Why, those foods?
Because long ago, families wanted to make a big special meal to celebrate Christmas. Large roasted meats felt festive and were shared by everyone at the table.
What about dessert? That's important.
Very important. Traditional Christmas desserts include Christmas cookies, fruit cake, gingerbread, Yule log cake, and pies or cakes.
And hot chocolate. That's my favorite Christmas tradition.
Hot chocolate is definitely a modern tradition, especially with marshmallows.
Sharing a special meal makes Christmas feel warm and joyful.
And remember, every family can have its own special tradition.
Like how we always bake cookies together on Christmas Eve.
Exactly. Those traditions make Christmas feel like our family's Christmas.
All right, I think we're done. The tree looks great.
Decorating together is fun. Everyone has a job.
And it helps us remember why Christmas is special because we spend time together.